Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new 2020 MacBook Air, and this is the 13-inch in space gray, and I will also be unboxing the new Magic Mouse 2 along with it, so I'm really excited to get into this. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So move the Magic Mouse out of the way because we are going to start by unboxing the MacBook Air itself. So opening it up now, and this MacBook is equipped with the new M1 chip, making CPU speeds 3.5 times faster and GPU speeds 5 times faster, as well as 9 times faster machine learning. So the processing speeds get higher performance and efficiency, which is really awesome because it just makes this computer a lot faster running and smoother to use. It also comes with the USB-C adapter so you can charge it, and also the big charging head for that. So now that we have everything out of the box, let's get this plastic film off so we can all see it and enjoy it. But I just love a fresh new Mac, and I actually have not mentioned yet, this is not my MacBook. It is actually my boyfriend's, and he was nice enough to let me unbox it for him so I could show you guys. But I also want to get this charger opened up so I can plug it in for the setup because I want to show you that whole process as well. So with the greater performance and efficiency, your battery stays alive for so much longer. So this one actually has 18 hours of battery life, which is so amazing, and I wish it was mine for that because I know when I'm editing a video it takes up a lot of battery life, and I can tell by my different tasks that a lot of my battery life and power is being used up. But since this chip is so much faster and more efficient, it does not do that. So this is like 6 hours longer than what the past MacBooks have been, and just from using it I will be able to let you know. I can do another review and with messing around with it because I'm sure he will let me try editing some videos and different things on here because the microphone is so much better and there's just so many changes to the system that I really want to see side-by-side comparison with what this can do versus my computer. So now let's unbox the Magic Mouse 2. This new Magic Mouse comes in space gray or silver, but this is the space gray one to match the computer. And it has a continuous bottom and optimized foot design, so it slides easier across your workspace, which is really amazing. It also is completely rechargeable, so no need for batteries or anything like that anymore. And it is also able to perform many gestures because of the multi-touch surface, so you can now swipe across and scroll through any pages or documents that you're working on. But I am so excited to get this set up, so let's get right into it. So right at the beginning it asks some questions, so you have to answer those quickly. But then you will get it connected to your Wi-Fi so that you can start transferring over your data from your old Mac, or just continue to set up the new one alone. But for my boyfriend, we are just going to be logging him into his account in iCloud and go from there. Okay, so next we are being prompted to set up Siri and Touch ID, which I still love to do and think is so awesome, even though it's been a thing for a little bit now. But the last steps are all based on preference, so if you have Apple Pay, you can set your information up in that. Also, you can choose your look to be light, dark, or auto, and whether or not to use True Tone display, but then you're in. So that was super easy, and I'm really excited about it. So the last thing that I wanted to point out is that this MacBook has the biggest collection of apps ever, so you can seamlessly move from the ones on your iPhone and iPad to your new computer. And also that the MacBook Air from 2020 does not have the touch bar, but all of those shortcuts and actions are put into the new keyboard, so you still have access to them. It just looks a little different. However, the new MacBook Pro does still have the touch bar if you are interested in that, and they both have Touch ID, which is one of my favorite things. But all in all, this computer is just full of new technology with greater clarity, brightness, and 25% more colors, as well as new and improved cameras and mics, which is perfect in this day and age where we are doing a lot of communication through FaceTime and that sort of thing. So I'm just really impressed by it, and will probably have to get one myself. So this is my MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch from 2017. Compared to the new one, So size wise, obviously they're both 13 inches, but as you can see, and I'm going to try to safely hold both of these up, the difference in the width on them, and mine does have a case on it, but still it is a much thinner laptop, which is really awesome because I know on the go it's so much easier to have this lighter weight, more compact device in your bag than it is to have the bulkier one. So that is a big reason that I might switch over myself, because I love to have a lighter weight computer, and that's why I went for the 13 inch instead of the 16 inches when I got mine. But regardless of the actual screen size itself, it is just a thinner and lighter device. So that is it for this unboxing of the 2020 MacBook Air in Space Gray, along with the Space Gray Magic Mouse 2. I hope this video was helpful for any of you to decide if you should invest in one, because I think it's really worth it and awesome if you haven't gotten that out of the rest of this video, as well as I've never had a Magic Mouse myself, but it is definitely an awesome thing to have because of the multiple gestures and everything else, and rechargeable. So both are just amazing products. Apple always does that for us, and I just love that the technology keeps getting greater, better, and smaller somehow. So that is it for this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.